Hello and welcome to the next video on how to use Microsoft Teams. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a Teams meeting. This is very simple if you have the latest version of Microsoft 365 Office. To check this, first of all, go to File, go to Office Account, and you will see exactly what version of 365 Office you have. If you have versions below 365, Office 2016, Office 10, etc., you will not be able to use this functionality. So please check that you have the latest version and upgrade accordingly. The next option is to set up the meeting itself. Microsoft Teams is embedded into Microsoft 365 already. So to set up a meeting, we go to Home, New Item, Teams Meeting. With this point, we can then set up the title of our meeting, select Acquired Attendees, any optional ones, set a date and time, and the usual Microsoft Outlook meeting request. But below you will see that there is this. These are the joining instructions for the Microsoft Teams meeting. If you want to join a meeting, you simply click the meeting itself, and you have a choice to either join the Microsoft Teams meeting using Microsoft Teams or join it on the web. If we open up Microsoft Teams, we now have this meeting itself. We can join via video. We can join via the blurred video if we don't want to see, and audio if we want to join using the audio built into the computer itself. To the right hand side, you can see the audio device I'm using currently if I was to join this meeting. As this is a demo, I'll join the meeting, but I'll not use any audio. I'm now waiting for others to join. If I sent the email to the customers, they would click on that link and join the meeting in the same way. When in the meeting, I'm presented with this screen. This shows me the time the meeting has been going on for. If I want to turn my video or audio on, my video camera or microphone. The next option is to share. This functionality lets me share various windows or applications that I have open at this time. If I want to share a specific application, I can click on that application and it will say the window that I want to share. If I want to share an application itself, I can click on the application and only the people in the meeting will be able to see this application while I can see other applications running. This is quite useful if you are presenting to a sales meeting and you do not want the customer to see your sales figures or your pricing for that customer. You can have this up in one window and the customer can then see the presentation. The moment that you minimize that window, the presentation, the customer will only see a black screen until you share it otherwise. That's sharing. The more actions lets us do other things with the video itself. So we can show device settings, which will show us a list of our connections that we're using in the meeting itself and change those if we're having problems, say, with our microphone or our video or headset. I can hide the device settings, which will maximize my screen. I can show meeting notes. If I want to start taking notes, we can put those in there and others will be able to see those accordingly. I can close this as well by clicking X. I can enter a full screen. Same as below there, I can blur the video, turn live captions on, open a numerical keypad or desktop keypad. I can record the meeting from start to finish. After this is finished, it will actually then send me a link for the person who is recording it with a downloaded version. From this, I can share it to other people within or outside my organization. Show conversations. This is the same as within Teams itself. You will see a list of people in the meeting, and I can start typing messages to them accordingly in terms of what I want to do. show participants. This will show me, as in the messages, a list of current people in the meeting itself. I can then mute them or take them out of the meeting itself by clicking on the right hand side with an X, as shown here. The last button is hang up. When I'm finished with this meeting, it will just leave the meeting and I will go back to my normal Teams window.